Hey, Julian here. So today I'll be taking you through installing Office 365 on your Windows computer. So first things first, as always, make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi because we're going to be downloading an installer. And then the next thing you want to do is go to your preferred web browser. I'm going to be using Internet Explorer, but any other will do. And then type in aka.ms/office-install. And then once you go to the website, it'll ask you to sign to your Microsoft account. Please log in with your WUSTL email. And then hit next. And then it'll take you to this page where you need to sign in with your WUSTL key ID and password. And then hit login. And then if you're off campus, you do need to do 2FA. And then it'll take you to this page where it'll ask you whether or not you want to stay signed in. I'm going to hit no, but you can choose whichever one you want. And then after signing in, it'll take you to this page where you can see at the top there's Install Office. All you have to do is click on it and it'll automatically download it. And then at the bottom you can hit Run to run the installer. Hit Yes. And then at this point it's going to start the installation process for the Office suite by itself. Because of that, I'm going to skip to when it's finished. Welcome back. So it should just be about done downloading, and there it is. Once it says you're all set, Office is installed now, all the Office suite products should be installed on your computer, so we can close this out. And also close out the web browser while we're at it. So now we actually have to activate the products. So go into the search bar at the bottom left corner and type in Word. And then the first thing that's going to pop up is a default program selector. We can just hit yes for this and then hit OK. And then this is the activation process. So the first thing you have to do is hit continue. And then sign in with your WUSTL email and hit next. And then it'll take you to the WUSTL sign-in page where you log in with your WUSTL key ID and password. And then hit login. And again, if you're off campus, you do need to do 2FA. And then for this, check allow my organization to manage my device. Hit OK. And then right now it's just registering the device with WashU. Once it says you're all set, you can hit done. We're not actually done yet because we need to sign the license agreement. And then there it is. So for this, just hit accept, but please read over the policy agreement first. And then Word should be activated. So I'm going to close out Word and open a different Office product to show you that all the Office products are activated. So let's go to PowerPoint. And as you can see, everything is open now, and I have full access to it. So yeah. As always, thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions or problems, feel free to reach out to sts@student.technology@wustl.edu, or you can call us at 314-935-7100. Thank you.